Most Indian men believe household chores are a woman's job, because growing up they never saw their dads help out at home. And as a result, they too end up passing on this inequality to their children. As a leading detergent brand, Ariel decided to help end this cycle of inequality at home. So we launched DADS Share the Load.
मेरी छोटी सी गुड़िया, सॉरी कि जब तुम घर घर खेलती थी तो मैंने तुम्हें रोका नहीं। ये नहीं कहा कि ये सिर्फ तुम्हारा काम नहीं है, तुम्हारे हस्बैंड का भी है, पर कहता भी कैसे है।
On the BBC World Service, an advert comes along that really captures people's imagination. Well, the latest advert to go viral comes from India, and it's called Share the Load. Sheryl Sandberg, of course, famously has promoted it and told people to click on it.
Working parents manage a complex balancing act at work and home, but they are making strides sharing the load, according to a new report.
इतने साल एक गलत एग्जाम्पल सेट किया है, अब कुछ सही कर जाऊं। तुम्हारा पापा।